Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, August 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So on the 4-hour time frame and the daily, actually, if I zoom out just a little bit more on this time frame, you can see that I do think that this looks like a running WXY, meaning that we have a lower low wave X and a lower low wave Y compared to the wave W over here. If that is true, that means that this right here is the end of a crescent. What happens at the end of a crescent is it will take out the previous lows. So I am definitely still very, very bearish the dollar. If it really is a running WXY, three ways up, three ways down, three ways up, which it definitely looks like it is, then this should continue to make lower lows, lower highs go down and give us this break of structure, which we should take that information and we should apply it to the dollar pairs themselves and trade accordingly based on that. Now, that doesn't mean that we may not get some decent pullbacks along the way. I mean, we could get some pretty decent little pullbacks to the upside, but if this is the end of a crescent, then it will make lower highs, lower highs, lower highs, and it will just keep on trending down. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.